Hello everyone. Today we will study about do, does and did. Okay? Today we are going to do, does and did. I will explain that where we use these words and how we will make the sentence. Okay? Now see here. Here I have written do or does. Okay, these are the helping verb of present indefinite tense, and we will use verb first with these words. Do we will use with the plural subject, and does we will use with the singular. Okay, and if we are not using do or does in the sentence, we will use s or es in the verb plus s or es. For example, Sita sings a sweet song. Now you can see here, Sita is a singular person, and my verb is sing. Here is a singular, that's why I am adding s over here. Okay, Sita sings, he sings, she sings, because our subject is singular. Sita sings a sweet song. Okay, one more example. He goes to school. He or she, singular. So we are putting s or es in the verb. So in easy way, if our subject is singular, we will use verb plus es. Our verb is go, I'm adding es. Our verb is sing, I'm putting s. Okay, and now see here, if our sentence starts with does he read a book? Does plus verb first. Yes, he reads. Now you can see here I have put s. Why? Because here is a singular subject, he reads. We are talking about the single person. Who does not like milk? Who? So we can write any person name. Sita, Rita, Rohan. Rohan doesn't like. If we are using does in the sentence, we will use first form. I can say base form of the verb. See, this is the base form of the verb. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about did, like where we use did. Okay, now you can see here did is a helping verb of past indefinite. Okay, if we are using did in the sentence, we use verb first, and if we are not using did in the sentence, we use verb second. For example, he did play football yesterday. Now you can see here I'm using did, helping verb. My helping verb is did, so I'm using verb first here, play. Did plus verb first. What did you do yesterday? I played. I'm giving answer here. I played yesterday. Did, do, played, second form. Please try to understand how we will do this. Did. What did you do yesterday? I played yesterday. Because I am not using did here, so I will use verb second here. One more example for this. He gave me a pen yesterday. Gave, given. The second form of the verb. Okay, if we are not using did in the sentence, we will use second form of the verb. Mohan went to Delhi to see his father yesterday. Went, the second form of the verb. Okay, so how we will do this? If we are using did, we will take verb first, the base form of the verb. And if we are not using did in the sentence, we will take second form of the verb. Now in easy manner, if we are using do, we are talking about does or did. Okay, we will use base form of the verb. It means verb first. Like live, live, live. This is the similarity that we will use verb first. For example, where do you live? So I will write I live in Jaipur. Okay, live. I live. Next example, where did she live? Now she. Now here I will use lived. Ed. Lived. She lived in Jaipur. This is the different. If we are talking about the present, we will give answer like this. And if we are talking about the past, where did she live? She lived in Jaipur. Did plus verb first. And if we are not using did, then verb second. Okay, so this is the way to do, did and does. Okay, these are the helping verb. Do or does we will use in present indefinite, and did we will use in past indefinite. Okay everyone, please like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do practice of these things. Thank you. Bye bye.